Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
On 27th August, there was an incident which came to our knowledge regarding assault on a doctor. Immediately at PS Parvarim, an FIR was registered under sections of IPC and also under Goa Medicare Act. Upon investigation, we found that there was one main accused, and along with him there were 3 other accused persons. So during investigation, we have arrested 3 accused persons. Those 3 accused persons also have previous criminal involvements, and we are carrying out further investigation in that regard. The main accused, against the main accused also we are investigating, and we will take action against him also. And we have also reassured the doctors that the investigation will be very fair and objective, and we are doing that.
So what about the 4th accused? Why is not arrested yet? What are the reasons?
The 4th accused is absconding, and in the meanwhile he has also preferred an anticipatory bail. We have strongly opposed it, and we are looking for him, and as soon as he is found, all necessary legal action will be taken against him.
परवरे पोलीस स्टेशन सरकाराच्या दबावात वावुरता म्हण आमदार रोहनाचो आरोप. सारकी चौकशी करात म्हण तोय पोलीस स्टेशनार पावलो.
जो जालो, जी घटना जाली ताजेर पुलिसेन इमिजिएटली समज एक्शन घेतिल्लें आज हे जावचें नाशिल्लें. काल इट इज व्हेरी अनफॉर्च्युनेट that you had a whole lot of doctors from various fields all over Goa, whether it is IMA or other channels, coming here and asking for justice. आज जेन्ना एक कंप्लेन जाता 5 दीस एक भुरगो वता आनी सकाळी फुडें दोतोराच्या कानपडार मारता. ही स्लॅप्स आनी गेट्स नो एक्शन आनी दे इट्स आउट. कित्याक म्हणजे ह्या सरकारान पुलीस स्टेशनां सेफ्रनायज करून घेतल्या. ह्या पुलीस PIचेर हांवें कंटिन्युअसली सांगीत आसा, हो पुलीस इन्स्पेक्टर इज नथिंग. I wouldn't call him a police inspector. I would call him a tout, an agent of the chief minister, who is acting at the whims and fancies of the chief minister. It has happened. I have seen this episode myself when I was arrested late midnight or early morning. When there was no case, they have done it. आज केस आसा आनी तूं करना म्हणजे हाजेर क्लियर दिसता वो पुलिसेचो PI जो हांगा बसयला निनाद देवुलकर is nothing more than a tout of this particular government under this chief minister. आणि हे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर समज अशें सिट्युएशनान आसा जाल्यार आमकां दिसता हो भंय सगळ्या परवरकारा भितर जाल्लो आसा निर्माण. अ पर्सन गोज एब्सकॉन्डिंग एंड 5 days यू आर नॉट एबल टू टेक. ही मे बी अ रिलेशन ऑफ अ युनियन मिनिस्टर, ही मे बी अ नेफ्यू ऑफ अ बिग BJP कार्यकर्ता. टुडे यू डोंट फायंड एनी हे BJPचे सगळे मंडळ फंडळ नाल्यार येवन रस्त्यार बोळा घालपी, पुलीस स्टेशनां ब्लॉक करपी, बाकीचे जस्टीस मागपी आज खंय?
मिनेश नार्वेकार सरेंडर.
एक्सपायर जाले, ते मेले आनी हांव एलिगेशन करता पर्सनल डॉक्टर तिलवेचेर. जशें तेणें म्हाजेर एलिगेशन केलां की हांवें ताका मारहाण केला म्हणून, की डॉक्टर अमोल तिलवे जो JMCचो डॉक्टर आसा तेज्या खातीर म्हाजे भयणीचे भुरगे आयज मेले. जर तेणें म्हाका प्रूव करचें कित्या खातीर मेले ते. आनी जशी परवरच्या पोलीस स्टेशनान PIन जशी डॉक्टर अमोल तिलवेची FIR रेजिस्टर केल्या, तशी तेणें हांव एज अ लेमॅन कॉमन मॅन डॉक्टराक सेपरेट ट्रिटमेंट म्हाका सेपरेट ट्रिटमेंट न दिता म्हाजी FIR ताणें रेजिस्टर करची डॉक्टराच्या अगेन्स्ट. कित्याक म्हाकाय रायट आसा आनी PIनूय म्हाजी रेजिस्टर FIR करची आनी इमिजिएटली डॉक्टराची एक्शन घेवची.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.